Hi everyone out there, Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here to ask a question that might come up if you have been involved in an auto accident and you're wondering what I should do next. Should you accept the offer that the insurance company makes, or should you file suit? That's a hugely important question, and my short answer is legal stuff. It depends. And quite honestly, I think you could understand why it depends. The circumstances of every case are different. Yours is no exception to that. And there's some times when it's better to file suit, to push forward on the case, and to go for it, even to get to the point where you're going to try the case. Or in other times, it's better to settle the case up before filing a suit. And here's something to consider. Maybe it's a free advice, the threshold point to look at. It's this: would I do better in front of a jury than what the offer is? And you have to weigh in the fact that the insurance company, the words insurance will never come up in a trial. You're not allowed to say it in Pennsylvania. You're not allowed to even say how much money the offer was on your case. So they go in, the jury goes in from ground zero, and maybe you have a $50,000 offer, for example. Can you do better in front of a jury who doesn't know that you have an offer of $50,000 on a very serious injury case than you would do by just accepting the offer? Sometimes the answer to that is yes. You could do 10 times better than that. A lot of times the answer to that is no, though. And part of the other factor involved in this equation is you have some costs that start to accrue rather quickly once you file a lawsuit. You have to take the doctor's deposition, your doctor's deposition, and they're only so happy to provide it for you. But guess what? You got to give them $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for their 1 hour of testimony in their office, I might add. They don't come to us. We got to go to them and pay them $4,000 or $5,000 for their testimony about what's already in the records. And that's a factor to be considered because that money has not been spent prior to filing the lawsuit. These are questions that are done on a case-by-case basis. I will say that if you call our office at 412-281-8700, we won't try to sell you on why we should take your case. I'll just give you an honest assessment whether I think that the offer that's made is a fair one or not for you, given the facts as you tell us. That's our free pledge. If you're interested in it, call us at 412-281-8700. What do you have to lose? I've been doing this for 35 years plus. I'm Pittsburgh born and bred, and one thing for sure you'll know is we're honest with you. We'll tell you right the way it is. That's it. Talk to you. Bye-bye.